Yeah, hi.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to my
Good
session.
morning. Thank you
Welcome to
so
my
much.
session, and I'm very thrilled and super excited to have this session. So, how are you?
I'm good. You say, how are you?
Yeah, I'm very fantastic. So, how was your
Okay.
yeah? So, how's your life treating you these days?
Today seems to be a bit busy days. Actually, this 2026, as it started, my life is going super busy. So, since morning, I'm just busy sending kids to school, then taking care of the breakfast, lunch, and today's Lodi festival. So, I plan to prepare something like special Punjabi food. So just busy with it. Along with it, I took two classes. So that's it till now.
So, since morning you have been busy.
Yeah, I was really busy since morning today.
Yeah. So before proceeding with the session, shall we start with introduction because I don't know anything about you. So I would love to, yeah, I want to know something about you. So would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Pallavi Dhingra, and I'm an English trainer by profession. I have been teaching online for almost 10 years, and I really love to teach, and I'm from Delhi. About my educational qualification, I'm postgraduate in English as well as TEFL TESOL certified trainer, and that's it. And I really love to do shopping.
Oh my God. Very nice. Good. It's amazing introduction from your side.
Yeah, thank you so much. You can also introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. So, as you know, that my name is Kiran Sao. I am from West Bengal. About my education, so I have done my BCom honors, and now I'm homemaker and mother of two adorable boys. If I talk my hobbies, so reading, cooking, and interact new people, these are my hobbies. So that's all about me. So thank you for asking. Your voice is
Okay, yeah, very good to hear about you.
yeah.
So, what's going on these days? Your side.
Yeah, these days is as is usual because there is no specific, I can say, just a normal day is going on these days. Yeah,
So,
1 week back, I went to picnic
uh
after, I mean, in January, in the beginning of January, and after that, it's going on as usual, I must say.
okay. So
So,
what
what
is your
about
New Year
you?
resolution?
So, what about you?
My for what?
I mean, yeah, I think I have already asked you that life.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. So, what did you say before that?
I am asking what is your New Year resolution?
Yeah, I don't believe in resolution because actually, currently, I don't have any resolution. So, just try to, yeah, one thing I just think that I want to be fluent speaker of English
Uh-huh.
language because I can say that I'm not that much experience about learning this language, and recently I have created my own channel, and when actually if I talk myself, so I am totally Hindi background, right? And I
Mhm.
did my graduation only in English version, and after that I left my study for 10 years, and now I'm working on my communication skill because of I felt that it's a very important and it's a global language. So these days I'm working on, and I want to be fluent. I want to be just uh, I mean, I want to be my level best. That is my resolution, I can say.
Okay, that is good to hear. So, what are you doing to improve yourself and when you started?
Yeah, firstly I just when I mean to say just 1.5 year back, I just watch some sentences, but I'm not that much fascinated about learning English language. But I think 6 to 7 months back, when I got to know that because of English language, my children are facing some struggle. So that's why I decided myself that I have to learn this language. So firstly, I just install an application for audio call. Yeah, and I worked upon firstly 6 months. 6 months I worked upon, and after that I switched myself on audio call to video call because now I'm able to speak on audio call. But sometime when it's come to speak in front of camera, so sometime I get some hesitation sometime. So now I'm able to speak. Initially, I had to face so many difficulties, but now I'm little bit confident that I can speak.
All right, that is so good to hear about your progress and that why you started learning English. This is also really commendable that you're learning for your kids. So, how old are they?
Yeah, my elder one is 9 year old and younger one is 7 year old. Recently, 1st January, it's his birthday. So 7 year old, my younger one.
Wow. Well, January, it's such a good date for the
Yeah,
birthday.
you can say it's a good day. I never imagined that 1st January I I got a
Mhm.
chance to have a children have a child.
Okay.
So yeah, whenever his birthday comes, I mean he's super excited. He becomes super excited that this day because 1st January is everyone celebrate 1st January, right? So he becomes so excited on 1st January that it's my birthday.
Very good to hear that. All right. So, but so do you speak in English with your children, like as you are learning?
Yeah, sometimes I try to speak with them, but because of habit, we are. Sometimes I try to speak with them in English, but sometimes I speak in Hindi, and I think it will take time to habitate in my tongue to speak with them in English because habit is a main thing. If you are inculcate in your mind that I have to speak in English, then after you can speak, otherwise your mind goes blank that what should I speak that time, right? So something it's happened with me, but I try to speak with them in English.
Okay, that is good. See, I tell you, whenever it happens that you are thinking that you're speaking in the mother language, as soon as you realize you can switch. I know habit changing takes a lot of
Yeah,
time,
absolutely.
but
I
slowly
think
and
it's been
gradually, if you will keep on doing, so you will be able to.
yeah, it's been say 7 to 6 months I have been practicing, so I'm not that much habituated for speaking this language. That is the problem. So I think in future I will try to myself to speak in English with my kids, but it will take time. Yeah.
Sure, my best wishes are with you.
Thank you so much. Your best wishes I needed. I need
Yeah.
really. Yeah.
Sure. If you will keep on working, you will surely get success.
Yeah. So what
Hmm.
about you? Are you from English medium and how long have you been learning English language? So tell me about you more.
Yeah, see, yes, I'm from English background. I am a convent educated person. So, and language, yes, I learned in my school. Then even I put in a lot of hard work on myself because I got married in Delhi, but I am actually from a small town in UP. So learning the language over there was a big challenging. Though you have the school environment, but still most of the time the kids they also speak in the mother language. So I also learned a language. I won't say if I am from English background, I just know it very well from the school. To develop extraordinary skills, you need to learn it. and it is for everybody. Most of the people, they have this myth, if you are from English medium, your English will be good. Yes, it is good to some extent, but to be like extraordinary or to work it to the next level, everyone needs to put in the effort. So I do also put in the efforts to learn the language. So regular practice, and some people, they say it is like 3 months, 6 months. I tell you, nowadays English has taken the another level. You can learn English for many years also, not just like
Yeah.
not just 2 or 3 months. So I also learned a lot. Until date, I keep on updating myself, like while I'm teaching also. So even I learn a lot, and I am a good learner. I always love to learn. I never say no, I'm the perfect one. Nobody's perfect. So I have a learning attitude, and this is how I'm growing, and I am spreading my knowledge, and I'm gaining the knowledge as well.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, so do you have kids?
Yeah, I do have kids. I have 2 kids.
Okay, so how old are they?
The elder one is 13 year and the younger one is 4 year.
Younger one is too small. So I
Yeah.
think, yeah. So you are you teach as a school?
I teach, not I don't teach in a school, I teach online English.
Okay, online spoken English.
Yeah, spoken English, public speaking, communication skills, IELTS, and everything you can say, like the overall thing that grooms a person's personality. So I work on that.
Yeah, yeah. Only in English you work upon.
Yeah, yeah, only English. I've been like teaching for almost 10 years.
Okay, you have been teaching for 10 years. It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't look like this. Now I think you are very young.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, one should be
So
young at heart.
yeah, ma'am. So uh, is there any wish for you that you want to fulfill as soon as possible? Is there any
I have a wish and I have a resolution this year that I should reduce my weight. That
weight?
is my resolution. Yeah.
Oh my God.
I tell you that I really have this wish that I want to work on my health issues this year, because every year I take this resolution, but I don't fulfill. I fulfill all the areas of my life, but I just give a backseat to my health. So this year I just made a promise to myself that I will be reducing my weight.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you can try, you will success. Yeah, it's a,
Yeah.
just try to change your daily routine. Then you will,
See, I tell you something, everybody knows everything. Even I know, and a lot of people, they also know, want to reduce. But the main problem and the main stuff is to focus and to make it as your priority. See,
yeah,
I tell you, like something from this point, like if something you will not make your priority, you won't be able to do it. That, as I mentioned, I take this resolution every another year, but I don't fulfill. Why? Because I don't keep it as my priority. So if you will keep something as your priority, so whether it is reducing weight or learning English, you will be able to do. But sometimes what happens, we want to do, but we don't make it as a priority. So
yeah.
when something is not your priority, you won't do it.
Yeah, it's true. And because of time, because you are a teacher and you are a homemaker as well, and taking care of kids, so I think you don't get much time. That is the main reason, maybe. Right.
I I would never complain on the time. Everyone has like the equal
You
time.
are,
24 hours in
yeah.
a day is good time period.
I think you are
I would
to be
say,
honest person.
yeah, I won't say like time is ever a problem, because whenever I'm free, I also do scroll reels. So I'm wasting my time over there also. So I tell you something, I won't take it 100% seriously. But this year I made a promise that I will be taking it 100% seriously and will be working on it.
Yeah. It's
Because I won't say like everybody is busy nowadays. Even I tell you, my son, his grandfather called and said, just 2 3 days back it happened, that why you didn't call me. And you know what my son replied? He's in class 7. He said, Dadu, I don't have time these days, I'm so busy. So see, even a child is
everyone
so
busy.
busy.
It's a true,
I was so amazed to hear his reply. He said, I don't have time to talk even.
Yeah, it's everyone, maybe child, elder, and younger. Everyone is busy nowadays, right? And schooling
This is true. Everyone is
boys,
busy.
yeah, schooling persons are also busy because they have so many work like a homework and go to school. So I think they don't get time for playing, right? So it's a
Yeah,
happening.
this is
So
true. This
definitely,
is true.
yeah, definitely it's a happen. And it
Yeah.
if he said like this, so it's a true, right?
Yeah. So I tell you, everyone is busy. We don't get time for something. We have to take the time for it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's why I mentioned if something is your priority, you will make time. That's why I give you my example. I tell you, I will never get. It never happens with me that I'm saying no. I'm so busy taking my classes. I tell you, I always get a time to take my classes because I keep it as my priority. So I get time for it. But when I have to work on the other areas, I say, no, I'm busy because that's not my priority.
Priority. Yeah. So priority is most, right?
Yes, that is
But
important.
yeah,
If something is your
nowadays,
priority, work on it.
yeah, nowadays I'm feeling that learning English is my main priority. So maybe it's getting too late at night, but I have to learn something. So that is my mindset, right? So
Yeah,
it's a true that if you think that this is my priority, so definitely you will work upon.
yeah, that is really true.
Yeah.
Okay, so do we have any questions or shall we wrap up the session?
Yeah. Yeah, I think what time? Yeah. Yeah, anything question? No, no. Anything.
Okay,
Do
so
you
it
have?
was lovely talking to you. Yes, you were
Yeah,
saying something?
one thing I want to say that
Yeah, please.
yeah, recently I have learning this language and working on. So, uh, uh, would you like? I mean, uh, maybe you suggest me that what is my feedback, and now I'm working on in what, uh, I mean, in which platform I have to work upon, in which field.
Yeah, I tell you, you need to work on your confidence first of all,
Confident.
and you don't repeat the words. Suppose you have said something wrong, so don't correct it. Just keep on moving after that. मीन्स आपने जितना बोल दिया दैट इज ओके, उसको करेक्ट करके मत बोलो जब आप कॉन्वर्सेशन में हो किसी के साथ, उसके आगे का बोलो, बिकॉज दैट विल रेज योर कॉन्फिडेंस, बिकॉज आपका हाफ ऑफ द माइंड इज बिजी इन करेक्टिंग. सो डोंट करेक्ट योरसेल्फ. जितना बोल दिया रॉन्ग, अब रियलाइज हो गया तो उसके आगे का बोलो, क्योंकि इससे आपका माइंड जो है डबल पैक्ड अप हो जाता है. एक करेक्टिंग करने का प्रेशर बोलते टाइम, और सेकेंड यू हैव द प्रेशर कि अब आगे भी बोलना है. So I suggest you stand in front of the mirror and daily describe what you do during the day. So that will give you a lot of confidence. Rather than looking for theoretical knowledge, try to work practically. Stand in front of the mirror, record yourself. Everyone, we have smartphones these days, and listen to yourself. Even our conversation, you can listen multiple times and write down your feedback. You will improve a lot.
Okay, so I think I
Okay, so
have
you need
to.
to improve on your confidence.
So I have to need.
English, I tell you, slowly and gradually, if you will keep on practicing, it will improve with mistakes, because nobody is perfect. Even sometimes I do mistakes. So, slowly and gradually, you will improve, but work on your confidence. Confidence comes first.
Yeah. Yeah, sometime I get hesitation that what should I speak? Yeah, ma'am, this type. And when I feel that I make mistake while speaking. So
That's what I tell you.
yeah, so
You
that
got
time
it?
I'm,
See,
yeah,
when you speak up, you get the pressure. No, I have to correct. So, don't correct yourself then. Continue the further talk. This is your main problem. If you will just work on this one thing, a lot of things will be sorted.
I will try, ma'am, because I really want to improve myself. And sometime, you know what, uh, when I start my video conversation, that time I felt that I'm so confident person. I was so confident person. Okay. But now sometime watching my video and uh, uh, face that this is the mistake I made by me by me. So that
That
time
is
I
okay. I
feel,
tell you, slowly and gradually you will improve.
yeah, I feel that some that time I feel some underconfident that I made mistake. This type of things happens with me.
That is okay. Whenever you see your mistakes, say, wow, I'm progressing. Because you are moving further. That is why you are making the mistakes. Because the person, there are a lot of people, those who even do not try. So give yourself a positive feedback when you're making mistake. Yes, wow, I'm progressing in my life. That is why you are making mistakes. So you are speaking and making mistake means you are progressing. One step ahead, you are moving. So the next time you will not repeat the same mistake. Okay?
Okay, okay, ma'am. Yeah, I will
All
try.
right. So
Yeah,
yeah.
ma'am. Uh,
It was really lovely connecting with you, and my best wishes again are with you that
thank
you will be able to speak well.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. We will meet again, ma'am. And thank you for
Yeah,
joining. And thank you for giving your precious time. Thank you so much. Bye, ma'am.
most welcome. Okay, bye.